Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I really appreciate that you are watching this video. So I want to start off today a new discount campaign, which is more like a game that I propose to you for my plugins. So I want to discount my plugins and I want to make like a game which you can play with me. So I started off the game with discounting by 50% the Newsomatic plugin, and I announced to my mailing list just now that I encourage people to contact me and let me know which plugin should I reduce next by 50%. And some people contacted me and they said that they want the YouTube-O-Matic plugin also reduced by 50%, so I added it. Now I pass the ball to you. So if you are interested in any of my plugins, then you can contact me directly here in this video's comments and let me know which plugin should be reduced by 50% right now. So this discount will last until 1st of April. So from today, 1 week from today in the future. So until then, you can contact me and leave your comments in this video's description and let me know which plugin you wish to get reduced by 50%. So you can check my portfolio. I will link in this video's description also the plugins that are already reduced and my full portfolio, so you can select the plugin, hit me with an email or with a comment here in this video's description, and I will simply reduce the price for you by 50%. So this is the game I propose to you. The ball is at you. Let me know which plugin you wish to get at 50% off and I will reduce the price for it. Please note that this is valid only for single plugins, so not for bundles, because bundles are many plugins in a single package, and the current discount is not valid for them, only for single plugins. Okay, so this is all for now. Let me know which plugin you need and which plugin you wish to get for 50% off. So yeah, this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay awesome. Have a great day. Bye bye.